We'll explore how to efficiently manage your layers by collapsing and expanding them all at once. This is particularly useful when working with complex designs that involve many nested layers, making it easier to navigate your workspace.
Press Alt+L.
This shortcut will collapse all the layers in your Layers panel, making it easier to find specific elements without having to scroll through a long list of expanded groups and frames. To expand or collapse all nested layers within a specific frame or group, hold Option on Mac or Alt on PC, and click on the drop-down arrow next to the frame or group you want to expand or collapse. This action will open or close all nested layers within that section in one go, making it easier to view all elements at once. If you click the drop-down arrow without holding Option/Alt, it will only expand or collapse that specific section, leaving other nested layers unchanged. Pressing Option/Alt+L without any specific layer selected will collapse everything in the Layers panel. This is a quick way to reset the view and reduce clutter.